Hi, welcome guys. Are you working in a IT sector as a IT specialist and do you have a dream to work on a cruise ship? This is your chance. There is an opening going on for IT specialist on cruise ship. So this is the requirement. Now let's talk about the qualification first. Now 2 years of shipboard experience preferred. If you already have 2 years of experience, that would be an added advantage. Comp TIAS A plus and ON plus certification preferred along with working knowledge of computer hardware and software with focus on operating system Windows, Mac OS and Linux. The business application suites. Now let's talk about the experience. Associated degree in computer science or related field from an accredited university or the international equivalent or equivalent related experience required. Now the company which is hiring is Hiren International. Now this is the website www.hireninternational.com. All you need to do is go to the website, register yourself and apply for this job.